Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to turn the boring default footer into the professional and rich features footer. Let's start right now. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps and select SMindSections, and then click on the Library tab right at the top. In the search bar, type Footer, and you'll see a lot of footer right there. But now we need to find the footer 1-1 to install to your store. Click Install and customize it, and then the app will automatically redirect you to the Shopify theme editor. Now we are in the theme editor sidebar. Click Add Section and select Footer 1-1. But we don't want duplicates footers, so we have to hide or remove the old default one from the old theme, and click to hide it. Now you see this footer appear right here, and we need to change the color first. We're going to change the background color to a black color. Then change the text color to white to ensure everything is readable against that dark background. Next, we need columns for each menu items in the footer, but we don't have any footer navigation yet, so click Create Menu to create your menu items first. And we need to change the name of menu items, something like Footer for Company Links, and you can add any item links you want. After that, click Save and create more menu items for the footer. And we're already created 4 separate menus for the footer, like Company, Quick Links, Collections, and Customer Support. Going back to the Shopify editor and configure the first menu items. Click on the first menu block and select your Company menu list. Then you need to update the heading text to say Company and toggle the option to make it bold to make it stand out. Next, Menu 2, Quick Links. Click on the second menu block. Select your Quick Links menu. Just like before, update the heading and make it bold. Moving on to Menu 3, Collections. Click on the third menu block. Select your Collections menu. Update that heading and toggle it to bold. Finally, Menu 4, Customer Support. Click on the fourth menu block. Select your Customer Support menu. Update that heading and toggle it to bold. Now, find the email sign-up block to get your email list at the footer. We need to customize by changing the heading to something engaging, and in the content field, add text describing the benefit for subscribing to your newsletter email. You can also update the subtext to ensure customers understand your privacy policy. Next, I want the logo should be displayed right here. Click Add Block and select Image to choose your logo. And we need to see a white version of your logo, so it'll pop against that dark background we set earlier. And you can add a link to your homepage and type a brief description or brand story text right below the logo. Finally, we need to set the container width to full width so the footer spans the entire screen. And you can also adjust the heading size of your menu titles here if you want. Importantly, don't forget social and change the social media style to try style 1, 2, or 3 to match your theme's aesthetic. Now, for the trust and compliance, you can toggle on the country or region selector. This is essential because of cross-border selling, so international customers can see their location and currency. Next, you need to switch on Show Payment Icons. This automatically displays icons like Visa or PayPal that help build immediate trust with your store. You can also toggle Show Privacy Link if you have this link. Then find the copyright text setting and remove or edit the default text to match the current year and your store name. Final check. Preview the footer in desktop full screen mode to check spacing. Then switch to mobile view to ensure the menus stack correctly and are easy to tap. If it looks solid, click Save to publish your changes. And thanks for watching.